Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Chase account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Chase account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in chase.com and make a search. The official page of Chase account will appear on the screen. Click on Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password associated with your Chase account and tap on Sign In. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you want to use your token, tick mark on the box that says Use Token. Enter your token number in the given field, and that is how you will be able to sign into your Chase account quickly and easily just in few steps. In case if you don't remember your username or password, tap on the link that says Forgot Username or Password. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.